Are you folding laundry, Liam? Can you put it up on the chair? Yeah? Oops. Oh, good job. I don't know if your method is really working so good. I know. You know, Liam, you're a good helper, but sometimes Mommy prefers that you don't help. I know. Are you doing laundries? Oh, okay. Oh dear. Yeah. Thanks for helping. Now Mommy has to fold everything again, huh? What's that? Did you find your block? Oh no, more laundries. It never ends, huh? Never ends. Liam. Bugaboo. Hi. What are you doing? You are very vigorous with the clothes folding. My goodness. Okay, Mommy just wanted to catch it on camera. Say bye-byes now.